Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
R.I.P. Mr. Coke, younger Coke. You understand? Rest in peace, youth. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Blessings and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. Anyone there in the world, big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, say the one and only attacking boss is here, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say, attack. Some people, right about now, me know, say, Dudus, you understand? CHRIST0PHER, Coke, him there a prisoner over there in the United States of America. What me know right now, my people, is a sad day for the general. Very, very sad day. Just like the whole of Tivoli, the whole of Western Kingston sad right now, my people. Because on today date, my viewers and subscribers, which is Friday, July the 25th, 2025, my people. Sometime in the day, right down there in Jamaica, my people. And them say, Dudus Coke, him nephew, my people, who name Lester Coke. And anybody, if you know from back in the days, you don't know, say Lester Coke. You understand? That was the other Jim Brown. You know Jim Brown? Alright, so if you know history. So Jim Brown, you don't say him the name, correct name was Lester Coke. You know what I mean? So Lester Coke now, my people, who is the nephew for Dudus. And film father them call Jati. Winston Coke, correct name, and Jati. So them say sometime in the day, my people, at the afternoon, yeah? You know what I mean? He was there and them look a boy can thing. And them a roll through and them a go turn in at Tivoli, my people. And same time as them a go turn in, is a taxi that, boom, knock him off of the motorcycle, my viewers and subscribers. And when the taxi knock him off of the motorcycle, you don't know, so people jump on them, rush him, carry him to hospital, done a KPH, my viewers and subscribers. And from there, he was pronounced dead. Well, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know, so when you hear the Coke name, you know, it's a big thing. And them people on this are not going to take that lightly if you know, so yo, I want to Coke a Dudus nephew, this a Jati son, this a, well, a beer roadblocks and thing, them a say I go on down there, people. Beer roadblock and demonstration. You understand? And them say the police and things, security forces, they on high alert down there because you don't know. If you lose a Coke, my people, a big, just a name alone. And if you know, say your nephew, and if you know, say a Jati son, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But I just want to say, rest in peace, Lester. You see me, rest in peace, youth. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. It's not a nice feeling or a great feeling, no. If you lose your loved ones, my viewers and subscribers, you know, it's not a great feeling. And I know, say, the Western Kingston right now, it tense, my people. Because the Cokes, you don't know when they come on to Dudus, you know. He is well loved down there. He is well loved. Remember back then, man, when the big thing go on down there, you know, the people them say, Jesus died for us, so we will die for Dudus. You know what that mean, my people? Them man a thing big, heavy on the western side down there. So right now, my people, as them a tell you, things tense down there. You see me really tense right now, and only Jassies and Jaja knows my people. Why? Mr. Dudus up there, go and hold it out, my brother, go and hold it out. We don't know what them say. Time soon forward, you know, time soon forward. And if you know, so you get that news right now, I know so your head hurt you up there for cell block. But go and hold it out, my brother. And Jati, hold it, my family. Keep strong. You understand? I know so it's not a great feeling right now. I know so you feel it, so your son, you know. Go and hold it, Jati. And I hope son can get the right justice, because if the taxi driver the wrong and knock off the youth, well, people, you don't know so justice will be served. You get what me I say? Or if him make a mistake or so, but you will hear the fullest of it, my people. And we don't know if him have on him helmet or nothing, but you don't know the motorcycle thing they go. A whole heap of youth lose them 3 points pan it at Jamaica since year start. Plenty youth and even previous year before. And it just sad and unfortunate for no say, you know what I mean? Dudus Coke, him nephew just drop out like this, my viewers and subscribers. We don't know, we just keep on the update power going and big up on the sell, my people. Thank you for the love, for the support, for the like, the share, and every comments. You don't know, see, one team, one dream, one scheme, one attacking boss. And just remember to do, my people, like the video, leave a comment in the section, and do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Rest in peace, Lester Coke. You don't know, so we not talk Jim Brown because Jim Brown gone. Long time, you know, people. PF the way and set film name and do film thing and gone already. So we are talking about the nephew of, you don't know, CHRIST0PHER Dudus Coke, my people. R.I.P. Blessings to people. Big up.